Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install the .NET Framework 5 from Microsoft. To begin, just open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. On the search bar you want to click and you want to type .NET Framework 5 and hit enter. At this page you want to click on the download.NET 5.0 Linux, Mac and Windows. At this level, you want to choose the latest version. Don't worry, even the previous versions are all included in the newest version, so it has all the capabilities of the previous ones. So if you have a Linux, you can get the package manager. Mac operating system, you have here the 64 version, and for Windows user, and some one of them, I'm going to select the 64 version. This is based on your processor. So if you have a processor which is 32-bit, you want to select x86. And if you have a 64 processor, you want to select x64. You can verify that by checking either the box of your computer or simply Google your laptop model in Google or just type dxdiag if you are a Windows user. Hit enter. Wait few seconds. A new window will pop up and here you have operating system Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 whatsoever, and next to it you have the 64-bit or the 32-bit. So make sure to select the compatible one. I will click and then the download will start. You will need to wait up to 1 minute maximum and then we will proceed with the installation. Once the download is over, open the download folder. Sometimes you need to refresh until you see the logo appearing. So now it's ready. Just right click, select run as administrator. The user account control panel will appear. It will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You can go ahead and click yes. And then the installation will begin as like any other software. You will need to click install and accept the license agreement. And once done, as you can see, just click install. And then once the installation is done, you will need to restart your computer. You will be prompted to do so. And after that, the installation is completed. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.